Welcome to part 2.
Welcome, welcome, and welcome.
We need to tell them once.
No, we need to tell them 5 times. Let's start the epic music. Let's start it. There it is. Okay, let's play.
Let's do this thing, boys.
Okay, whose turn is it?
Okay. I think it's my turn.
Oh, it's Chance's turn.
No,
I
you got the
forgot
red.
about the Visa. Okay,
Yeah.
Visa, we really need you. Come on, come on.
The Visa
come on.
gets. Alright, I think it's my
My turn.
second.
It's
I
his
need a
turn.
red card. I need it.
Which are there more of? Subway restaurants or Starbucks?
Seven.
Subway.
Oh.
I would have thought there were more Starbucks.
I know.
It's always the one you don't want, right?
Exactly.
That's why I picked the
That's why I picked my. Where's an orange? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is ask me the question.
How many more do you need? One?
Yeah, just a big one.
You need this?
He needs to get this wrong.
Who has more Olympic medals?
Mm.
Eric Hayden or Matt Biondi?
Matt Biondi.
No!
Yes!
Oh, no!
Yes!
I
win!
No, you have to be the elephant ranch. You have to get to the middle.
Alright, go. Oh, come on.
Just started getting it.
Oh,
Wild card.
In an average year, a few Americans consume more milk or soda.
yes!
Dun, dun.
Come on!
Oh, green.
Pretty much wrong.
Take the captain. Take the captain.
Alright.
Which is heavier, a ball of gold or a bar
Bald leg.
of gold?
Lead's light. Lead is super light.
That was a fake. I'm gonna win.
Five. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. That's exactly what I needed to.
Okay.
No!
In a
No!
regular bag of M&Ms, which are there more, blue or brown?
Blue.
Blue or brown? Answer the question.
Brown!
It was blue.
And then again, James is the winner of this game of elephants and ants. Wow, that was so bad.
Let's get some tragic music.
Wow, that was just bad. That was. He got the last answer wrong too.
I know.
That was so bad. James didn't make it to the middle.
Yeah, I did. Technically, I did.
You would have made it to the middle that turn.
Good for having you on the show.
You suck.
Here he is.
Very tragic. Very tragic. You lost $1 million. This was the most epic game yet.
Well, this ended earlier than all the other ones, probably.
Why is it tragic, sad Chinese?
Get off me, you dirty ape.
Take it, otherwise. I won. So, anyways, hey, Aviva gets that. When you lose like that, and you have a spaz attack, Aviva gets that.
We need your sponsor, Visa.
Yes.
Come on,
Where's the
Visa.
card?
Where's the card? Right here, right here,
Whatever. Visa, we need you really badly.
We're running out of money, Visa. Come on.
How do you expect us to buy more board games? So anyways, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching Chance Spaz Out too. This has been our show for today.